So I have here today a really cool handheld light rig for your phone, action camera, or even bigger cameras. By the way, welcome to the channel. My name is Danny Black, and this is a short, not short product review, straight to the point and no fluff. So this is the ulanzi U-Rig Lite. And in the box, you get the light rig, a phone clamp, USB charging cable, and this little remote, which has a really cool function. But first, looking at the light, it's very lightweight and easy to hold. There's a power switch on the side, and you have a dial for the brightness and a dial for temperature control. There's a quarter thread on the bottom and on the side for mounting on a tripod or putting on other accessories. But also there's these little pop-out legs on the bottom with non-slip padding, so you can just stand it up. And there's 3 cold shoe mounts on the top, so you can add extra lights, mics, or even an HDMI monitor. You can easily put your camera on there with this screw dial. That way you don't have to spin your camera around it. You can actually just keep your camera straight, and it makes it so much easier when you want to just get your camera on there straight. You charge this thing up with USB-C, and at full brightness it has a 90-minute battery life. But you can also plug in other devices to charge them up if you need to. The remote on here is great. It's Bluetooth, so you can connect to your iPhone or GoPro or even some bigger cameras with Bluetooth. And this remote will work up to 20 meters away. But what's cool about this is you could set your remote right here in this little rubber compartment. And this is a great spot so you can actually start and stop your recording or even take photos while holding this rig so you don't have to change your grip. It just makes it really easy. Also, the placement of the dials are really great. So depending on your shot, you might want to change the brightness or adjust the temperature controls really quickly or smoothly. It's a really cool system, and to be able to hold it in your hands like this also helps you to keep it stable. It's almost like a steering wheel. But all in all, it's a really cool light rig and it works really well. It comes in around $53 US, and I'll put a link in the description so you can check it all out there, plus a surprise link. But thanks for watching another short, not short product review. Don't be a stranger to the channel, and I'll see you next time.